Yo, what's going on, guys? Ricer boy Danny here again, back at it again. Hold up, let me explain it first, bro. New mod for the car. Last video went banger. The one before that, even more of a banger. Don't even worry about that. But today, let me show you what we're fixing. First. Pretty much already know though. You saw them now. I have these nice ass rims, but the black needs to go. I'm gonna be doing white. I feel like it might look good with the gray. We don't know. I'm gonna keep this like this though, and I'm just painting all this white. Hopefully it looks cool. If it doesn't, well, it's just plastic dip. We'll be goated. So, but anyways, that's actually what we're about to do. Let me show you the plastic. I got it in the garbage bag because I'm not gonna take the wheels off. I'm just gonna put this around the calipers and everything, and then tape off what I don't want to spray. It'll be a little bit easier, and I don't really have room to do all that. But look, I got my plastic dip. I even got this little glossifier. I'm gonna put this on, just see if it even looks better or not. I don't know. Probably every single one of you guys already has the freaking rims plastic dip, bro. Everybody does this. I already have them because they were like a little greenish color before. Not green, they were like gray, but I made them black. I'm trying to tape my freaking rim up, and look, every time I pull it, this piece just comes out, and this is like the worst tape. I've had this in the back of my car for like, I don't even know for how long, but it's the biggest pain in the ass. See, like I'm trying to do it, but I don't know, bro. It's annoying. But this might take a little bit, so sheesh. All right, guys, don't roast me on my masking tape skill, but this is it right here, boys. I figured out how to do it, but it does take a little bit. But yeah, honestly, it's not that bad. In a future video, I'm gonna be painting my brake calipers. Guess what color? Comment down below. I already have the color set. Just try and guess it down below in the comments. Guys, I almost forgot the bag, but make sure if you're gonna do like how I'm doing it, cover the back. Y'all see this muffler, bruh? This is gonna be gone soon, guys. All right. I know I'm slacking on it, but guess what, boys? It's gone soon. So y'all can stop commenting about that, even though no one of you are commenting about it. But trust me, the car used to sound good. They used to. You see how it comes out? Oh shoot! Oh. Okay. Damn, this gets white pretty fast, bruh. All right, guys, look at the progress. The boys working on this one, while I'm gonna start on this one. Just so we actually looking pretty good, guys. I'm not even gonna cap. But you gotta wait, you guys gotta wait. Let me start on this one though. Guys, we got both of them pretty much done. It's looking pretty good, but look at this kid. Boy, if you don't. But it's okay, whatever. It's okay. This is what it's looking like, kinda. Ooh. Damn, that actually looks pretty good. Compared to this, boys, I think it actually looks better. Let me show you this again. Oh yeah, for sure. Alright, guys, while I'm waiting for the other side, look at these side blinkers, bruh. You guys can't tell me these don't go crazy. Look at that. With the white rim too. Ooh. But if you guys are trying to get these, I ordered these off of eBay. These were from eBay. They're so easy, bro. All you gotta do is like push it out like that, like bah, and then it comes out, and then take the little thing off of the other one, and then put it on this one, and then they work. They're pretty bright. They're pretty good, and they look way better than the other one for sure. But I just wanted to show you guys this too, because I never made a video about this actually. All right, guys, this is the finished product. Look at that. Ooh. This actually looks way better than this side. Like that looks so much worse than this side. Don't roast me on the tire being white or on all this. I'll take it out eventually. Probably not today though, because I still gotta paint the other side. And once it's fully done, I'll show you guys. Like, bro, we finished. You guys can see what it looks like. Honestly, it looks worse than I thought. Ignore the tire, ignore the white tires. I actually thought it was gonna look better, but honestly, I like it though. I like it. But I definitely thought it was gonna look way different. It doesn't look too bad, but it looks kind of funny, I feel like. I don't know. What do you think? Like actually.
It's ugly on camera. Personally, it's a little better. Facts.
Damn, that's crazy. All right, guys, we're meeting up with the boy Frank. We're already here actually, so we're not even meeting up with him no more. We're gonna go get some rollers for you guys. Look at the boy. The boy's back here. I don't know if you guys see him, but you guys are gonna see him right now. Alright guys, we made it somewhere. I don't even know where we're at, to be honest, but the view goes crazy, bruh. Shout out to Frank for showing us this spot, bruh. Look at this. Sheesh. Golly. I know this guy, he's like, oh, we're not going anywhere, so I'm not wearing shoes, and then look what happens. Yellow what?
I hella wiped it clean for fucking dirt. Now look at it.
Oh shoot, right after. You guys can't see on video though, but look. I don't know if you guys can see that. You guys can see that for sure though. Bro, oh wait, I should close my windows, no?
It's probably contaminated though.
Yeah, let me close my window. Oh, fuck. Dude, I don't want a snake to come out of this. Imagine a snake, bro. Dude, this place is so nice, bruh. Guys, I ain't never even been here before, bruh. Frank's the one that told us about it, bruh. And we actually came, bruh. Oh shoot. We're actually out here though. Look at the view, boys. Look at the view. We're at the bottom, bruh. You see, you can skip any rock, bruh. Any rock out here.
Do it one time.
I gotta get closer though. I gotta find the right rock though. Because they're all too thick. They're all too... Oh, whose sandals here, bruh? Someone left their slides. You see this one? Two? I don't even know if you can see it in the video though. Oh, hey, if you hear the wind, just ignore it, bro.